this is everything I've made from crate crochet in the last couple of months. Oh, I am a fashion icon. I really like the bucket hat, which I did show you at the end of the last crate crochet opening video. I made that one really quickly. And this pretty pink scarf is the winter warmer scarf, which was from the July crate crochet box. And then there's this. This is the ombre shawl, which had the very controversial yarn choices in it. I didn't finish making it. I kind of got this far and I still didn't like it. So here you go. I was really curious to see how it would look when it was all worked up. So you guys can have a look. Put that to one side. So guys, this is the September Crate Crochet box, and this will actually be my last Crate Crochet box that I'll be opening with you. I've just reached a point, I think, where I need a little break from it. I had been really enjoying the projects, but I found a couple of other boxes that I'm giving a go to, and I feel like I'm getting too much yarn in the mail, which is not something I ever thought I'd say, but I'm not keeping up with it. So this is the last one I'll be opening with you for a while anyway. I may renew the subscription once I've had a few months off, but let's see what September has to offer. One more bit of tape. Crate Crochet really do parcel things well. I do like their little custom boxes. They're really cute. I made the whole table rock then. Well, this month's box has blue tissue paper, which is really cute and nice. I can't see the yarn through it. As usual, there is the little note that says, "Thank you, we hope you love your Crate Crochet box. 100% yarny satisfaction guarantee. Don't like your yarn color? Contact us for an exchange. Full details on our website." And now let's have a little look at this month's project. Compliano, exclusively designed by Carmela Ann. Designed over a repeat of 4 rows of pattern, it gives a beautiful Art Deco effect to the fabric. Compliano, meaning birthday, will be wearable for almost any season. Let's have a look. Well, it's a pattern. I don't really know what I was expecting to see when I looked at it. It looks like a pattern. I'll have to make it to know. And I'm not going to look at the back because I've started showing you at the end of the video this little bit that comes on the booklet which says everything that's in the box. So I have not looked at that. Put that to one side and look at the box. Well, we have a whole lot of Fibra Natura papyrus yarn. I've used quite a lot of Fibra Natura, but I've not used their papyrus. It is 78% cotton and 22% silk. It's really rather soft and lovely. The color is really pretty, but it doesn't have a pretty name. It is color number 22915. Isn't that an exciting color name? What a pretty name for a color. I can't see an actual name here for it anyway, but it's a nice blue anyway. Very soft and pretty. And I'm just glad it's not lime green. I'm gonna have a look at the second layer. So in the second layer this month, again, crinkly bits of cardboard. I'm really easily thrilled. Crinkly bits of cardboard, anyone? There is a laminated chart, and it looks like they're trying to teach people how to read a crochet chart, which is a nice thing to do. I think quite a few people aren't that comfortable reading charts, so that could be quite useful. Let's see what else there is. There is a hook. It's a Knit Pro hook. It's got a nice orangey red handle. And now we have 2 little parcels. Let's see what we've got. Handmade stitch markers by Yarnarium. Let's see. It doesn't feel like stitch markers, it's flat. Oh, okay. Little tiny stitch markers. A little yellow butterfly and a little pink strawberry. And they're both the kind of lobster claw style stitch marker. I'm not sure if I'm missing something. Is there a way that you're meant to use these that makes them more practical? But they are really, really cute. And as I've said a couple of times, I've got a collection of them. I just don't use them. Let's see what is in bag number 2. And I'm guessing bag number 2 is going to have the candy. I almost feel like they've been watching my videos because, guys, look. Mentos! 4 of them. So that's, you know, an extra one, which is awesome. I love that. 4 Mentos and blackcurrant and blueberry tea. So that is the box for this month. And I think this is just such a wonderful note for me to end on with my Crate Crochet subscription because I love this box. The yarn is pretty. I like the blue color. The pattern actually looks interesting and looks like it's got a little bit more detail to it. I got Mentos. I got to throw tea on the floor. What's not to like? So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please remember to hit the thumbs up button for me and subscribe if you'd like to watch me open more boxes. I've got a link up on the screen for you that will take you to my playlist of unboxing videos if you feel like watching me open more boxes and get all excited when there's always yarn inside. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon. Hope you have a great week.